Direct Baby Ruth, can you greet our mga kababayans dito sa Aotearoa, New Zealand about your film? Invite them. Kayo po.
Magandang araw po, Kia ora. Ako po si Baby Ruth Villarama. Isang karangalan po para sa amin ng aming team from Voyage Film Studios na maimbitahan sa isa sa pinaka-prestigyosong film festival sa buong mundo, which is Doc Edge Film Festival. An Oscar qualifying film festival na maidala po natin ang only Filipino film na na-program po dito. It's entitled Food Delivery, fresh from the West Philippine Sea. So if you have time, please do watch. We have a screening this Friday, July 4 at 8 o'clock p.m. At Bridgeway Cinema. So please invite your friends and family. If you value who you are, you want to celebrate who you are as Filipinos, this film is for you and about you. So magkita-kita po tayo doon. See you po. Maraming salamat.
Direct, bakit nyo ginawa itong food delivery West Philippine Sea? There must have been some inspiration or something.
Ginawa po namin yung food delivery bilang isang alay sa ating kababayan na talagang nandoon sa West Philippine Sea na lumalaban at binabantayan ang mga isla na pilit kinukuha mula sa atin. And as a storyteller, nakita namin na maybe we can do something to help them and to make sure na itong isla na to, which is the Scarborough Shoal, ay mapanatili natin sa atin. There is a battle cry out there na West Philippine Sea, atin to. Atin talaga to. And if we give up those islands, baka gumising na lang tayo isang araw na hindi na sa atin ang bayan natin. So we have to protect it at all costs. And as a simple independent storyteller, ito yung nakita namin paraan para makatulong.
Now, Direk, anong mensahe nyo dun sa mga Filipino-Kiwi filmmakers, no? Nanood kasi ako ng Q&A nyo at merong isa doon, taga Tauranga. Maganda yung message nyo eh. Anong mensahe? Bilang isang documentary filmmaker, maraming kwento dito, ano po yung mensahe nyo?
I mean, if you are proud to be a Filipino, or if you want to tell the world who you are and share how beautiful our culture is, please do use your God-given talent to share with others who we are through engaging stories and empower others, because stories has that special and unique power to inspire, to motivate, to create the change that we want to see. We may not change the world overnight, but if we can inspire someone who's gifted or who has influence to do something for our community, for our country back home, use that. And stories has its way to connect people. So kahit mahiyain ka, even me, I'm an introvert by nature, but it's through stories that I can kumbaga share a part of my soul and a part of the voice of the people that I represent sa ibang tao. So napakaganda po nung pagkakataon na yon. And life is short, so use it to inspire others and to be an agent of change.
Tapos yung sinabi niyo dun sa young person, sinabi niya, how do I start with my filmmaking? Maganda yung sinabi niyo eh.
Sabi ko lang kasi ako din, I started with no camera. Nanghihiram lang po ako ng camera sa mga kaibigan kong mayayaman. Ballpen lang, wala pa akong laptop noon. Ballpen lang na Panda at bond paper. Gawin mo lang. And then immerse yourself outside your comfort zone and start listening to people who have special stories and experiences to share. Because through these shared experiences, that's the only way that we can understand ourselves, understand the world, and understand the issues that we are facing and navigate it better And we have to also learn from our history. So read a lot, know stories from people who came before us, our lolos and lolas, the elders who are so wise that they've experienced life back home. So, alamin natin yon, and don't forget who you are. Kasi if you remain true to yourself, that's gonna be your North Star to reach your destination.